Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your iPhone X. Make sure iOS is current and a passcode is set because Apple Pay needs that security. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon to add a card. You can scan the card with the camera or type the numbers in. Once you add it, your bank will ask for verification. Follow the SMS, app approval, or call instructions. This step connects the card with your device and enables secure tokenization, so your real card number never gets shared. Once your card is verified, set a default card to speed transactions. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, and select the card you want used automatically. Make sure Face ID is enabled for Apple Pay. This lets you authenticate purchases with a glance, which is faster and more secure than entering a passcode. You can also add transit or rewards cards inside Wallet now. Doing these steps organizes payments and saves time at checkout. Plus, Face ID prevents unauthorized use if your phone is lost. To make a purchase in a store, double-click the side button to summon Apple Pay, authenticate with Face ID, and hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark. For apps or websites, pick Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with Face ID as well. If payment fails, check your network connection, verify the card's status with your bank, and try removing and re-adding the card if necessary. This often resolves tokenization or verification errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.